Now, moving over to oil, WTI crude oil. Now, I'm watching this carefully. We have the oil inventories coming out in 90 minutes. Now, we had a huge surge earlier on this week on an agreement by Saudi Arabia and Russia, which caused this breakout to the upside. And with that, we then retraced. We've continued to consolidate. I suspect a lot of this the next move here will be based on the oil inventories, which come out in about the next hour and a half, and also the OPEC meeting, which is at the end of September. Now, for me right now, there is some clean air for a breakout. If you get above 47, you've got clean air really to take oil higher here, back towards the 49 level. I would suggest in the short term here, we could get a breakout. You've got a trend channel just overhead here, pennant formation as well. And then a move above that level, you could have a clean run up to the 49 to 50 zone. So on the bullish side, that is what I'm looking for. Obviously, if oil inventories, last week, oil inventories caused a big breakdown in price. This move that we had got to the downside last week was off the back of an oversupply. So I would suggest, although there is a setup brewing here for a breakout above the 47.15 zone, which I quite like on lower time frames as well here, you can see where this is really starting to build up for a breakout above resistance. I would just wait for the oil inventories in 1.5 hours time to come out, and then you can look essentially for a position on oil, potentially taking advantage of a breakout to the upside. Otherwise, I would be quite interested actually in a pullback back down to the 50% Fibonacci level from the recent swing low, recent swing high, brings us down to 44.50. I quite like that as a buy zone for oil here if we come back down to that level and get supported.